Now we will discuss why does more progressively imply more deadweight loss. The preceding sections argue that we use our tax system to attain greater equality. The deadweight loss increases. In this Okay, the figure 20, this figure illustrates this general proposition by contrasting two text schedules. Figure A is a proportional income tax in which the tax liability is the same percentage of income for the individual, no matter how large or small their income, right? Figure this the 20 the next figure part B is a simple progress income that imposes on a flat tax as a flat rate on the difference between the individual income and some critical level of income. Why why bar individuals, those whose income fall below the critical income received a grant from the government equal to the tax rate times the shortfall between their income and the critical level. Tax rate is a slope, a proportional tax. Progressive tax is right. Um, Figure B, the marginal tax rate, the extra tax rate on individual or received on the extra dollar of income is constant for both tax rate. Therefore, both are flat. Therefore, both are called flat rate tax, right? With the progressive tax, however, the average tax rate, which is the ratio of the tax rate payment to the individual's income, increases with income. This is why we call the tax progressive, because we have to depict it the progressive tax, flat tax provide for a payment to individual who income falls short of the critical level. We sometimes refer to the portion of the tax schedule below Y star as a negative income tax. The progressive tax can be thought of a combination of uniform lump sum grant to all individual and proportional income tax. Thus, in figure a proportional tax at the rate of T2 combined with a grant of OG is identical to the income tax on income in excise of Y bar Y dash or is at a rate of T2. Provided that those with income less than Y cap receives a rebate equal to T2 times the difference between Y cap and their income. If the government is both to finance its public goods and other public expenditure and pay everyone a uniform lump sum tax, the revenue raised must be higher than it is just financed the public good. So the marginal tax rate must be higher than with just a proportional tax. Moreover, the more progressive tax, the greater is the likelihood of smaller labor supply and the national output necessities on that account a still higher tax rate. All lower income individuals are better off, so both substitution income effect lead to a smaller labor supply. For higher income, individual income and substitution effect are offsetting unless they have very backward banding labor supply schedule. Overall labor supply will be reduced.